Welcome to English Daily Chat, your daily boost to speak English confidently. Hi there. Good morning.
Oh, hello. Good morning to you too.
It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. The weather is perfect today.
I come here for a walk every morning. Do you come here often?
Yes, I do. I love walking in the park. It helps me feel fresh.
That's nice. By the way, I'm Mark.
Hi, Mark. I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa.
Yes, just a few blocks away. What about you?
So, Lisa, do you live nearby?
Yes, I like it here. It's quiet and green.
I live close to the park too. It's a peaceful area.
I work in a small company downtown. I'm a graphic designer.
Do you work or study nearby?
Yes, it is. What about you?
Oh, that's cool. Design sounds like a creative job.
Really? That's amazing. Maybe you can help me improve my English.
I'm a teacher. I teach English to beginners.
So, Mark, what do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. Sometimes I go hiking on weekends.
That sounds fun. I love movies too. What kind of movies do you like?
Mostly comedy and adventure. I enjoy movies that make me laugh.
Same here. I love funny movies.
Looks like we have the same taste.
Yes, I think so.
Do you like music, Lisa?
Yes, I love listening to music. I listen almost every day.
Me too. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and soft rock. What about you?
I listen to jazz sometimes. It helps me relax.
Jazz sounds cool. Maybe you can share some songs with me.
Sure. I'll send you a playlist.
Oh, I should go now. It's getting late for work.
No problem. It was really nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too, Mark.
Maybe we can walk together again tomorrow morning.
That would be great. See you tomorrow.
See you, Lisa. Have a great day.